Join me as I dive into the forest and see if I can uncover the secrets that the shadows are hiding. The world of shadows in forests is a mystical one, full of unknowns and untold stories. It's an eerie feeling, walking through a dense forest, surrounded by towering trees that block out most of the sunlight, leaving you in a world of darkness. But within this darkness lies a hidden world, teeming with life, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. There's something mysterious about the areas beneath the shadows, areas that most of us never get to see. It's as if these shadows are hiding something from us, something that's just out of reach. And it's not just our imagination. Research has shown that these shaded areas can be home to a unique set of flora and fauna that are found nowhere else. But what exactly are these secrets, and why do they matter to the ecosystem and biodiversity as a whole? The importance of shadows in forests cannot be overstated. They provide a unique microclimate that support a wide range of plant and animal life. From fungi that thrive in the dark, to insects that rely on the shadows for survival, these areas are teeming with life. And it's not just about the individual species. The shadows also play a crucial role in the carbon cycle, and can even affect the forest's ability to mitigate climate change. But despite their importance, these areas remain largely understudied. We know so little about the complex relationships between the trees, the soil, and the organisms that live in these areas. And it's not just a lack of knowledge. The shadows also pose a significant challenge to researchers who struggle to study these areas due to the lack of light. But that's what makes this topic so fascinating. The unknowns, the mysteries, the secrets that lie hidden in the shadows, they all combine to create a sense of wonder and awe that draws us in and makes us want to learn more. The temperate rainforests of the Pacific Northwest are a perfect example of this. The dense canopy of conifers creates a perpetual twilight, with the forest floor receiving as little as 5% of the sunlight that filters through the trees. And yet, despite the lack of light, these forests are home to a staggering array of plant and animal life, from giant ferns to massive trees, and from bears to salmon. The shadows in these forests are alive, teeming with life, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. In the tropical rainforests of South America, the shadows play a crucial role in supporting the incredible biodiversity of these ecosystems. From the towering emergent trees that pierce the canopy, to the tiny insects that scurry through the leaf litter. Every level of these forests is dependent on the shadows in one way or another. And yet, despite their importance, these areas remain poorly understood, with new species still being discovered to this day. In the mountain forests of Europe, the shadows take on a different form. The steep slopes and rocky outcrops create a complex landscape of light and shade, with areas that receive direct sunlight for only a few weeks of the year. And yet, despite the harsh conditions, these forests are home to a unique set of plant and animal life that are adapted to these extreme conditions. But what about the impact of shadows on forest health? Can they really have an impact on the overall health of the ecosystem? The answer is a resounding yes. Research has shown that shaded areas can act as a refuge for trees during times of drought, and can even mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing soil temperature and increasing moisture levels. But perhaps the most surprising insight of all is the role that shadows play in revealing new species. The shaded areas of forests have been shown to be a hotspot for new species discovery, with many new species of plants and animals being found in these areas in recent years. And it's not just about the number of species. The shadows also provide a unique window into the evolutionary history of these organisms. So what do we take away from this journey into the world of shadows? The importance of these areas cannot be overstated. They provide a unique set of conditions that support a wide range of plant and animal life, and play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem as a whole. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of shadows. I'd love to hear about your own experiences in nature. Have you ever stumbled upon a hidden world in the shadows of a forest? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on forest conservation and the natural world.